Hey, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome to the squad. Subscribe. Thank you. Today we're going to be doing a try-on, review, wear test, and see what the heck is going on with this new Falscara eyelash extension kit. So this comes with the full kit, everything you're supposed to need. It comes with the little wispies and the pieces. It comes with the bond, the sealer, and the applicator tweezers. I was on Instagram stories and I saw my friend trying this out on his story. He only wore them for a day, so I'm gonna see if this actually works and is longer than a day. Says you can use it for like over a week, but I don't know. We will see. I know this is supposed to be a dupe for the Lashify system. Lashify is supposedly amazing. They stay on a long time. They're really good, but they are expensive. This one was only $19 at CVS. I used my $3 bucks and I used my 40% off coupon, so whatever that came out to, I had a bunch of coupons, came out to I think $9. So that was a steal, so hopefully the $9 will last me more than a week and that will make it a deal. I know I have makeup on. I'm gonna take my little magic eraser from my face and go over my eyelashes to make sure there's no powder on them. Okay, so those are clean. Now opening up the package. It's my other room now. Okay. Cat! It's not a toy. Oh my gosh. Seriously. It's a double-ended thing. The bond has biotin and the seal has vitamin E, so I guess that's a good thing. So I guess healthy for your lashes. Those come on here like that. And then comes with little kiss tweezers, and those are supposed to like clamp down and get the eyelashes to stay. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's so loud right now. Both of my neighbors are having quarantine parties and I'm sitting here with my cat and my dog drinking wine and doing a tutorial. So the only thing I don't like so far is the little eyelash pieces are all the same size. They are exactly the same, all of them. There's not longer to shorter. There's no mix and match. So this probably isn't going to give you that dramatic cat eye look. It's just going to give you the eyelashes that are all the same length on each side. So that is the only drawback I see right now. So we will try them on and let's go. I'm taking the bond side and opening it up, a little applicator. It's really small and it is very black. I am applying it to my clean eyelashes. The bond as the first step, it says a little bit goes a long way, so here we go. And what makes these different apparently is not like regular eyelashes where you put them on top. These go underneath. The little strips attach underneath. It's already sticking, so I guess that's a good sign. I guess don't squeeze your eyes closed. Hopefully I won't glue my eyes shut. See the little wispy curl facing up, obviously, and we are placing them. It's attaching to my bottom eyelashes. Bottom eyelash at the base of your eyelash line. Oh, okay, it's on. Let's see. Now we're supposed to take this and squish it down, clamp it on. Okay, that stayed, but it's not like sticking the whole thing. Like the middle of it's sticking, but not the bottom of the band. Okay. It's on. Let's try another one. Okay, it looks pretty seamless from here. Clamping it down. Add a little more bond to the middle section. Whatever. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. I do like how this is so black and it's like coating my eyelashes. I hope this works and it stays on because I want to wake up looking fabulous. Ah! It's super sticky, so it's like kind of making my real eyelashes stick all funky. There's a giant gap. Like, what do I do? I moved it over to the end, and now I'm gonna do the one in between. Hopefully that'll work. I don't know. And there's no real technique, I feel. Okay, that stuck. I still have a weird gap, though. What is happening with that? I don't understand. I actually don't feel them in the inner corner, even though they're literally on the smallest eyelash I have in the inner corner. That's a good thing. Why is there a gap in the middle? Like, And they're clumping. Okay, this one's already falling off. Do you guys see that? I haven't even put the seal on yet. Get it back on my face. It's like hanging off. What do I do? Okay, it's like on, but maybe I can do the next eye better. I don't know what's happening with these. Why are they so piecey? Like, tons of gaps. I mean, I guess from here it kind of looks cute because any eyelashes on the eye looks cute. I literally got it in my eye. Am I gonna die? Ah! At least I didn't start crying. That was creepy. This stuff literally, like, so sticky. Okay. They're, like, not sticking at the base. I don't understand. Isn't that supposed to be, like, the part that completely sticks? Not the top part of the lash? Literally getting quiet because I don't know how to feel about this. When Crystal's quiet, that's not good. Like, I feel it gripping, but then it's like a fake gripping because it doesn't grip everywhere and kind of lifts in spots that you don't want it to. This is hard with my other hand. Crossing over your nose because the tweezers kind of get in the way. I don't know if there's a better way to hold them, but this is not sticking on. Let's just try to get them all on and then clamp them down. Maybe I can come from the other side with the tweezer. Okay, I got them. They're in the tweezer. Ew, this is so creepy. Okay, now my tweezer's stuck. And it came off with the tweezer. That was not my master plan. Okay, let's try that one more time. Get on my eyelash. Should I try more glue? I don't know. This literally makes your eyelashes so, like, stuck. Okay, it's on. Let's try this one more time. Okay, it's... Okay, got them unstuck. They just don't look the same. There's, like, gaps right here, and then this one has gaps. I am so OCD, I don't know how I can handle this. Like, they don't look the same. Ugh! Sorry for the super close up, that's really gross, but... I mean, they're kind of pretty, but, like, they're not matching. There's weird gaps in different places. I don't know. This middle one is not staying. How are these supposed to stay on a week when I literally just took that off with absolutely no effort? This stuff is really sticky and it's just making my eyelashes like funky and do weird things. And I'm very good at applying mascara, so I know how to properly apply and make my eyelashes go straight, so I don't know why this is making them like do weird things. Get off. It's like still not sticky. I don't get it. I guess this is as good as this is gonna get, and I'm gonna seal this in place with the Seal with Vitamin E. So this one is a little white applicator brush, and you're just supposed to do a small coat underneath to make it, I guess, not sticky. I mean, it doesn't look like it's really doing much. I don't know if you can see it. It's putting little, like, white thing on top. Why is it making them white? Okay, this one's literally falling off now. This is not sealing it, it's pulling them off. I don't understand. Kiss, you usually make such good products. I don't get it. Okay, this is helping the gaps a little. Okay, they're definitely not sticky anymore. That's my sticky test. Obviously, my face looks better with any type of lashes or any type of darker color on my eyelashes, so I don't know. Let's see. This is the final product. But this one's like literally falling off. I bonded, I sealed, and it literally came off that quick. I don't understand. And just so you guys know, backstory, I do like little piece eyelashes like this all the time with regular glue. And those little pieces or the trios, they stay on for a long time. Like, they will not come off unless you rip them off your face. So I barely pulled that, and this is supposed to be like a lash extension, week or more lasting product. God, I hate giving bad reviews, but like, yeah. Let me try to put it back on one more time, and then we will resume a little later, because obviously I have to wash my face tonight, so I guess I will try to check back in with you to see if they're still on. So it's been a little bit, maybe like an hour, and they're kind of bugging me. My eyes, like the inner corners, are getting a little irritated, and they're a little bit itchy. So not super bad, but like the inner corners are getting a little annoying. That's just a little checkup and the 2 cents I have on that one. I washed my face, and that little guy just came off right there. It's great. Like, oh my gosh. They're all coming off. This is not good. Well, that one was a complete fail. I am so sad about it. I was really looking forward to having a new product to use just once a week and have life be a little bit easier, a little more affordable, but nope. Back to the strip lashes. I guess that's the way to go. Ugh. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. More random content to come. That is all I'll be working on right now, since I can't do any other job besides this and my Etsy. So if you haven't checked that out, I will link that below also. Hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and happy during quarantine times. I know it's crazy. Love you guys so much. Leave me a comment. I would love to know what you thought about it. Maybe you've tried these and they worked for you, or maybe I'm just an idiot. I don't know. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe, turn on the little notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! So, okay, here we go. Today we are going to be trying out Cat. I swear to God. Already, 2 seconds in this video, he's already starting me now.